Hello everyone, welcome to ICT Club. So today we will learn how to work in Scratch. Scratch is a computer language which was used for beginners. It is block based computer language. We no need to write anything. We have blocks inside it and we will just drag and drop these blocks and make a program. Our program is called a script inside it. So it's very easy. We can use it. We can make programs, stories, apps and games inside it. Okay, so let's learn today. So first of all, let me give some introduction about this language. That this language was created by MIT organization. It was launched in 2007 and the latest version of Scratch is Scratch 3.0. Now I am telling how we can download it. So for that you will open the web browser which is available in your computer or laptop. You will type scratchmit.edu. Then inside it this type of windows appears. Just click on Scratch 2.0 offline editor, and inside it, if you have Mac OS, download the first one, and if Mac OS 10.5, then download this option. And if you are working on laptop or on computer which is Windows based, so for that you will click on this link. So once you have downloaded it, then after that the logo of Scratch is like this. This was the logo of Scratch. Now just double click on it and let's start. So let me give some introduction about the components of Scratch. This one is the file tab. These are the blocks. Okay, so total 9 blocks we have here, and if we need more blocks we have to click on this option, add extension option. So in add extension we have the options of music, pen, video and all these. Now I am moving to back and showing you, because these are the blocks. When you click on any block, motion block, look block, sound, event, control, when you click on any one, now related all the blocks which are here inside it are there on the blocks palette. So this area is called blocks palette. Okay, and this one is our sprite. Whatever the actions we are performing, we are giving instructions and actions are performed by this Tomcat. Okay, so this is our sprite, this one, and here we will write our coding. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, these are the blocks. From here we can select any event first. Okay, so when clicked event, after that motion. Now move 10 steps. Now our cat will move 10 steps. But how we can run this cat? We have to click on this green flag. So when I click on this green flag, it's moving. But for this I have to click again and again. So what I will do, inside the control block we have forever. So I will just bring this forever block after when block. Now once first block is when green flag clicked, now second is forever, and inside forever we have move 10 steps. Now I am just clicking on it and it's moving. I am bringing it to the center, our sprite, and this one is to stop. So stop your program first. Now I am bringing it here, and again I am clicking on green flag. Now it's moving. Okay, so this was, in this way you can program your games, your apps, your stories. Okay, so this one is for the beginner. This one is our first program. Now this stage is of white color. We want to apply something on this stage also. So how we can apply? So we can apply using this backdrop option. Click on this backdrop option. Now from here, these are the background options available. Click on any one and apply. Now I have clicked. So see. So this one is our one simple program. Now I'm clicking on my sprite. Bring it here on the road and watch here how it moves. So green flag clicked. Now she is moving. Now stop your program. Bring it back. So this one is our first simple program. Now how to save it? To save it, you have to click on File tab. Then save to your computer. Now it's asking for the location where you want to save it. So for that, you will select desktop. Give a name, first program. Give a name to it and then click on save. Now this one is saved. Now the next program, if you want to open your next program, for that you will click on File tab, then on New. Yes, you will click here on OK. Now this one is our new program. Now I want to change my sprite, so I can change it from here. Now I want to take another sprite. So these all are available here. So it's just opening. It takes few seconds. Processing is going on. Let me take this ballerina. So now I have two sprites. I am deleting this first one. Click on it and right click on it and delete it. Now we have only one sprite. Let's apply background also by clicking on this option. So we are making a program to make her dancing. So some dancing background we need. Okay, let's take this one. Now it's applied and this one is our sprite. Let's apply some coding on this sprite. So our first, always the first we will take when green flag clicked. So all these are the events. You can take any other option also, but because you are the beginner, so that's why I'm suggesting that you will take when green flag clicked. Now after that, for looping you will take forever. Now in motions, not in motions, in looks we have next costume. So here I'm taking next costume, and yes, let's run it first. Watch it. See, now this ballerina is dancing. Let's stop it by clicking on this red button, but it's moved so fast. Now we want to make it little bit slow. for that we will use weight. Weight is inside the control block. Now see the speed, it's a little bit slow and it looks nice. So in this way you can create your own programs. Just you can drag and drop your blocks here in the script area and write your own script. So enjoy making programs in script. We will do next part in our next class.